Sora 2 is revolutionizing AI video, but OpenAI locked it behind Geo-Blocks and invites. Want to bypass restrictions and use it for free today? Here's the ultimate guide. So let's talk about Sora 2, the new kid on the block in the world of AI video and audio creation, brought to you by OpenAI. This powerhouse can whip up realistic, top-notch video content from simple text prompts, making your creative dreams a reality. As of October 2025, Sora 2 is strutting its stuff in the United States and Canada, but here's the catch. It's currently an invite-only affair on iOS, making it an exclusive club for the chosen few. Not on iOS? No worries. You can also hop onto the Sora 2 bandwagon via the web if you've been extended an invite. Remember, even in the US and Canada, you'll need an invite code to step into this digital wonderland. These codes are like rare gems shared among the lucky few as they unfold. Ever felt the frustration of being geo-blocked from accessing captivating platforms like Sora 2 in regions like the EU, UK, or Australia? Those digital borders can be a real buzzkill, but fear not, there's a nifty trick up our sleeves to break free. Enter the superhero of the digital realm, VPNs. With a reliable VPN like UFO VPN by your side, you can wave goodbye to those pesky geo restrictions and unlock the door to Sora 2 from anywhere on the map. Let's dive into how you can make this virtual magic happen. First things first, click on the download link in the description and get UFO VPN cozy on your mobile device or computer. Fire up UFO VPN and navigate to the location setting. This is where the real magic unfolds. Within the server list, take your pick from the star-spangled options, the United States or Canada, and hit that connect button. Once you're all linked up, give your virtual passport a check to ensure that your IP address has smoothly teleported to its new virtual home. Voila, your digital coordinates have now shifted to the United States, paving the way for you to glide gracefully into the Sora website and dive headfirst into the mesmerizing world of AI video creation. Are you itching to get your hands on the Sora app for your trusty iPhone or iPad, but outside the US and Canada? The only way to make this happen is by giving your Apple ID a virtual trip to the United States or Canada. Let's walk you through this digital passport upgrade. Launch App Store and head to your profile. Tap on your Apple ID and choose country and region. Then access change country or region and choose the United States or Canada. Head to a random address website to pick one to fill in your billing option. And for payment method, choose none. After doing that, save it and you can get Sora app on your iOS devices. Ready to unlock Sora 2? Grab UFO VPN below. It's the fastest way to bypass restrictions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.